What's up, guys? It's your boy E, and I am back with another video. And today we are taking it to Miami because I have GusVilla Jewelry in-house. And today I am reviewing my new handmade 14mm rhodium plated Miami Cuban chain, which I am super excited to look at. So without further ado, Bob, do your thing. All right, guys, so we are back in it, and here we go. Definitely looking forward to this piece. I have a couple of Cuban chains in silver, but I don't currently have a handmade. I am really looking forward to this chain. I, in the past, got a handmade chain from Gus years and years and years and years ago, and I do not know what happened to it. Yes. As crazy as that is to say, I do not know what happened to it. I was moving and it got lost in the move. It might have gotten stolen in the move because I was in Miami, and stuff like that happens in Miami. If you don't keep your eyes open, I didn't keep my eyes open, and no more Miami Cuban.
That's tough.
But without further ado, the past is the past and the present is the present. Let's toss that box. And here we go, guys. Let's get this open. We got the fancy lights right here. We are greeted with a microfiber cleaning cloth to keep that silver nice and shiny. It is a nice baby blue and yellow. Oh, wow, that's actually very interesting. This is a very interesting microfiber cleaning cloth, that baby blue and that yellow over there. So we do have that. And then we have a sticker, GusVilla right here. Beautiful light up box, and here is the chain. Wow, this is a beast. Here we go, guys. Wrapped up in tissue paper to preserve it, and wow. Okay. Wow. Look at this, guys. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Wow. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chain. Look at the file on this. Look at the tight links over here. I mean, this thing is a absolute banger. Wow. And that rhodium, I mean, you know, with silver, I always talk about it, guys. I like having all my silver plated in rhodium. I do not like sitting around cleaning jewelry and cleaning tarnish. And if you don't know already, rhodium prevents that. All white gold is plated in rhodium. And when you plate your silver in rhodium, it's a little more costly. Nothing crazy, maybe anywhere from $100 to $300, depending on how big the chain is and who you're dealing with. But in my opinion, well worth it, because you're not going to be sitting around worrying about that tarnish or anything like that. And it gives it that beautiful white gold look, that kind of gunmetal look. And you always have that luster there, which I love. And, you know, listen, guys, to me, silver is a beautiful, beautiful metal. I could probably say silver is probably my favorite metal, and gold right below it. And listen, I know gold is, you know, gold is gold, but I personally like silver. Silver is just, to me, it's beautiful. It's kind of like chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream. Some people like chocolate, some people like vanilla.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。
Obviously, gold is way more expensive. It's way more luxurious if you're looking at it from that aspect. If you don't care about all that and you're just looking at what your preference is, I mean, silver has always been right there for me. And this chain that I'm holding right here is absolutely gorgeous. And handmade. Handmade. I love that it's handmade. Whenever you have a handmade piece, it's a one of one, because that chain is made for you. You know, all the little imperfections that happen when making it, you know, whether it weighs this or whether it weighs that, it's not like you have any other type of chain. That chain was made for you, was custom, you wait for it. I enjoy that process, that custom process of ordering something and having it made and getting that final result. And this thing is absolutely amazing. You have this beautiful lock here. You have the GVJ logo, and you have the 950. So this is actual 950 silver. It's not 925 silver. You know, and the only difference with 950 is that obviously, you know, 925 silver is the most commonly used silver. 950 is going to have a little bit more luster to it. It's also a little bit more malleable. It's a little bit softer, not much. It's still great for daily wear. And then you have this beautiful custom box lock here that is handmade, which I love. I love having that box lock on the chain, but this thing is absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, wow, the work on here is just next level. You know, I've mentioned it before and I'll mention it again. When it comes to making Miami Cubans, GusVilla is my favorite maker of Miami Cubans. I'm going to tell you why. I just love the file on the chain. You know, everybody prefers a different file. You know, Daniel Jewelry, for instance, they're a very flat file. Ray's is a very chunky file. Garcia's has their own file. Gus, for me, the file on these chains is perfect because you have that nice flat modern look, but you also have some beefiness to it as well. It's not a completely flat chain. And I love having the weight behind the chain, guys. Speaking of weight, let's get a weight on this thing because this thing feels massively heavy. So let me get this tissue paper out of here and let's see where we're coming in. 347.7 grams.
Holy fucking shit.
Unbelievable. So this is a heavy chain. I personally love the weight. I always say, guys, don't be afraid of getting a heavier chain. Some people would say, no way, that'll break my back, but I will tell you, you get used to it. And listen, some people don't. Listen, if you don't want a big chain, you don't want a big chain, but I'm used to wearing them. Oh, we got a little kink, came right out. Let's get a quick measurement on this. So this chain I ordered at 14 millimeters. So let us get a quick measurement. 14.25, 14.4, and let's get one more, 14.15. So we're right there, a little bit over. Let's take a look at this handmade box lock right here. Beautiful box lock. I love this lock right here. It snaps into place. Close that butterfly right there. Close it right here, and man, what a beautiful chain. One last thing that I would also like to do with you guys before we put it on neck is the infamous hang straight test. And as you can see, the chain hangs perfectly straight. There is no curvature, so that means you know that you have a quality chain. And let us get the piece de resistance on neck. I just love the feeling of a nice statement piece like this. Something I'll definitely be wearing on the reg. Another beautiful piece from GusVilla Jewelry. Personally, like I said, it out of the handmade space with Miami Cubans, with the Figaros, with everything that they do, I think they are top notch. So with that being said, guys, this has been the review of the 14 millimeter handmade Miami Cuban rhodium plated silver chain, and now it is time to rate it. And on a scale of nope to dope, I am going to give this a solid 8.8. Congratulations, GusVilla Jewelry, making another solid banger. Definitely happy to be wearing this on a daily. Definitely happy to have this as part of my collection and take pride in the fact that this was made for me. And guys, listen, if you haven't seen GusVilla, make sure to check them out. They do a lot of different things. You know, they do the silver, they do gold over silver. They sell, obviously, the solid gold, handmade Cubans, handmade Figaros, and a whole bunch of different other stuff. So watches, pendants, you name it, a lot of custom stuff. So make sure you go over there and check them out. Lastly, make sure that you guys sound off in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I always love talking shop with you guys. It's one of my favorite things to do. I am a jewelry nerd. So, you know, whatever comments you guys have, whatever things you have, let me know what pieces you have. Let me know if you have any handmade stuff or whatever that may be, and let's talk about it. So with all that, don't forget to like and subscribe like usual. It helps your boy E out tremendously. And with that, this has been your boy E, and I am out. Peace.